enjoy the moment is all I can say. And that is exactly what I am doing. My God. Whew. Very lucky, very blessed, very, very, very grateful. Damn. These are the little moments that make up life, man. I'm telling you. Wow. 6th gear, and let's just cruise. Let's enjoy the rest of the drive. Made enough noise entertaining you guys, which I am entertaining myself as well. It is so much fun and I can't help myself. So of course I got to put the camera out, get the camera out and get some filming done. Capture this moment that I can share with you guys, because for me this is like some of the most fun I could possibly have. This is an unforgettable sunset drive. I've done stuff like this many times, but this one is really feeling special. I mean, the weather is perfect. I'm in a short sleeve and shorts, windows down, on the coast. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So with that being said, I hope you guys severely enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, helps me out so much. Leave a comment down below, that also helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and helps me to continue making videos like this for you guys. I absolutely love making these types of videos. It's so much fun, and I'm really happy that so many of you enjoy the videos as much as I do. I myself enjoy the videos and I enjoy making them as well. So I mean, this is you know, a dream come true. So I appreciate all of you guys for, oh man, look at this, for always coming along with me, watching the videos and enjoying the scenery and enjoying the sounds. So until then, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next